Guys, I am in the Dollar Tree and I decided they have cute stuff that they don't have in mine, so I'm gonna show you. Okay. These are cute. Look at those little snow globes. Okay, I found wrapping paper I'm gonna use in my bedroom. I wonder if they have another one. But they have so much crap. So much stuff. Well, we have these. I've already bought some of those. My little village. It's a summer. Oh, that's cute. These are really cute though. I kind of want these.
So you can still decorate with them.
I'm not gonna leave them on my table. My cat's always on my table. My cat is naughty. She's getting nothing for Christmas. I don't know what that is, but I really want to buy this. S'mores coated marshmallows. What's the expiration date? 2023. Yeah? Is it what? Oh.
What? There's a bottle of wine.
I don't even drink wine. Sorry. Sorry, no one running you over.
I'm not seeing anything. Do you see anything more?
It's just a lot of stuff. Black and white sugar cookies. And they're popcorn. Look at, these are cute. I just need wrapping paper though, so that way I can wrap my kids' gifts, and then I'm leaving them down here because I don't care. I'm not gonna like bring them everywhere with me. But these are cute. Look at these this time. I need to get these when I get back home. Because I got my kids' jewelry. Oh, let's see. I guess koala bears. Okay, I definitely want this one. Oh, that one's cute too. Look at this one. It's like vintage. Can you see that? I like always have these. Turning. So cute little socks. Holiday cooking recipes. Let's see. And they have tons of candy. They have that at ours. So I'm not trying to buy that now. Look at some of these are cute. The little elf ears. Candy canes. Oh, that one says Kool-Aid candy cane. That's different. Okay, this is where I was when everything got congested and then I tripped over my grandma. Oh, they have the glitter drape. I might use that. See, and then they have these, and I need these. But they're $1, which is good. And they have Blue's Clues. Oh, look at that. The Family Mantico. Probably said that wrong. All these little toys. Which one of these do you like better? The vintage or
I like vintage.
the koalas? You like the vintage?
I do.
Me too. I'm only getting one. I'm gonna wrap those gifts today.
Okay.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. So don't put them away and then we don't have gifts. Just gonna get rid of my gifts, guys. Don't hit people.
Mary's always lost. She literally goes there like that we're not. Like, yeah. Like, cause
So
she's
cute.
She always used to get like her what type of tea? Oh, her kombucha. Yeah, her kombucha. I'll see how it tastes.
Someone smells like armpits.
Mm-hmm.
It says someone smells like armpits.
Oh, jeez.
It's bothering me.
Not me.
No,
Oh, Mom, can I get the penguin?
but it just
What else?
smells. I don't know.
Where'd you go?
Let's see. They have cards. Oh, I need these. Right. Let's get some of this so we can wrap our gifts. But my kids' pajamas. And we always open on Christmas Eve, so just gonna let them open it. Oh, I gotta get a tag, right? I feel like everything else is just stuff that we see every single time you go somewhere. So we don't need none of this, right? Oh, that's new. It's a slide and a swing set. Yeah, I don't need any of that. It's gonna be a really quick trip, guys. Oh, look at this. Those Lightyear stuff. Oh, and then Jurassic Park. Monopoly. Battleships, Chutes and Ladders. These are like really nice. Look at that Jasmine. Wow. So cute. They're puzzles. yeah, all this we have in mind. It's just that my Christmas stuff is like always picked over drives me insane. We don't really have this stuff. Pegboards. See everybody having these. Look at this. That is cute, actually. I wonder if that's new or if that's gonna just be down here. Because this, I see in like Shein all the time. I always want to get it, but I never do.
Just let her hold it. If you want one, get one.
I want a noodle.
I guess I don't think that anything in here I'm gonna need. Yeah, everything is the same. Alright, let's see what their socks are like. Because I like to get my kids socks. Like, these are cute. Oh, they have nice little kitties on them. Alright, I'm gonna get these very. That is my daughter. It's like everything that we always see. Which, I mean, it's kind of good that they're consistent. You could get the same thing everywhere, you know. Like all this stuff. For your brownies. Reynolds wrap. There's some more stuff. Disney towels they always have, but they're like really cute for stocking stuffers. Only a socks. Well, they have these light up things. Oh, look at that Santa Paws. Oh, Holy Night. So I don't remember where I was, but the ones that I ended up getting were oh, what is this? So I ended up getting National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation stuff. I don't even know how to open this. Hold on. Look, it's a little jewelry box. How cute is that? Ooh. I'm sure I can turn that into something.
To register the lines to the freezer. I asked him to call and he never did.
I think these are cute. Alright. Let's see. You know what? I need to get those gift tags. That's what it's called. Let me just go back and get them. Oh, look. There's some more Santa stuff. Let's just grab this one as well. 104. Yeah, sure. I'll grab that. Here we go. Alright guys, so I think that's it for all the Christmas stuff. I'm just doing this like really quickly right now. But I will see you guys later. So make sure that you like this video and subscribe. And oh, that's cute.
Yeah, I guess we could take another, huh?
I know, those are cute. Alright guys, I will see you later. But thanks for coming with me to a different Dollar Tree. This one's in Brick, New Jersey. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. That's what they told me it's called. Alright guys, I will see you later. Okay, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps my algorithm. Alright guys, bye.